the multi-activities. Aviland is highly active and ready, dwarf of the sleeping beauty. Shashikala is a very confident child. Ekansh is very hard to achieve. Congratulations. Ananya is a confident and a form an integral part of the sport, although lean and great inclination towards. Congratulations, Anand. You receive the honor from Mr. Smart 2. Adit is a spontaneous. He is representing. Havani is a sincere child and is always. Congratulations. Priyanshi is a confident. She is confident in whatever work is assigned to her. Shambhavi has been. She has put in zealous effort to shoulder her responsibility. Nas. Krishna Kumar. Krishna is a very responsible child and discharges his duties very well. We hope to see him kindly come up to the podium and administer the oath.
Ready, Council? Please repeat after me. I solemnly swear to discharge my duties as a council member with full devotion. I shall be courteous and try to fulfill all obligations with sincerity and honesty. I pledge to be a worthy civilian and pray God give me strength to uphold the spirit of family and live up to the expectations of my teachers and fellow students.
Student council in front of you. Very big hand to all of them.
Congratulations everyone. And you can see they are ready to shoulder the responsibilities. You can see they are standing in the sun from last so many minutes. And that's what is bothering me. So we'll keep it short. Over to sir.
They can take one step back. If you want to take one step back, a human child is an amazing thing. There's nothing more amazing. As a creation of nature, as a creation of God, इससे अद्भुत वस्तु कोई और होती ही नहीं है. A child can become anything. A child can become a scientist, and a president. He can become better than all of us. And it's only the atmosphere, it's only the discipline that creates a Jayant or creates a Vinita. It's only what we make out of the child.
Congratulations to all the parents. Because I feel responsibility is always a reward. It is never a punishment. And children learn, all of us learn from responsibilities. So congratulations that your child has taken the first step on the stage. I hope and pray that the child becomes a very responsible, not only Sanbeamian, but a true Banarsi and a very good Indian.